In the past few days, top experts around the world have been studying a powerful 340-page report about artificial intelligence. The author of this report is Mary Meeker, a legendary internet investor known for predicting major technology trends with surprising accuracy. For over 2 decades, her reports have shaped how people understand the future of technology, and once again, she has revealed something big. Artificial intelligence is growing at an unbelievable speed. ChatGPT reached 100 million users in just 3 months, breaking every previous record. And within 17 months, that number exploded to 800 million users. What's even more surprising is that billions of people who use the internet may enter the digital world directly through AI. This marks a completely new era of opportunity. At the same time, global competition is heating up. China's AI models are rapidly catching up to leading systems like OpenAI, delivering similar performance at a much lower cost. But according to the report, the real winners will not be the creators, but the ones who use AI effectively, move fast, and keep users engaged. Meanwhile, major tech companies are investing billions into AI development. Although revenues are increasing, profits are still uncertain. This is because AI is still in a heavy investment phase, just like the early days of companies like Amazon and Tesla. History shows that great technologies often take years before becoming truly profitable. Artificial intelligence is not a temporary trend. It is becoming a core part of global infrastructure, just like electricity and water. In the future, AI services may become nearly free, changing the way we work forever. Human roles will also shift. Instead of doing repetitive tasks, people will focus on guiding, supervising, and training AI systems. Those who learn how to use AI will have a clear advantage, because in this new era, people will not lose jobs to AI, but to those who know how to use it. Another major shift is already happening. AI is moving beyond screens and entering the physical world. Technologies like self-driving systems are improving rapidly, turning AI from a tool that talks into a system that acts. The future of artificial intelligence is incredibly exciting, but it also comes with a warning. AI could become the greatest invention in human history. But if not managed carefully, it could also become one of the most dangerous. The choice depends on how we use it.